Okay, just a quick one. Anytime you unplug a refrigerator, I had to unplug a refrigerator, and if the power is on, you want to wait 5 minutes before plugging it back in. It needs that 5 minute delay. I had to replace an outlet cover back here, and so I waited more than 5 minutes before plugging it back in. If it tries to start in an unequalized state, it can just sit there and keep overheating as it sometimes cannot start in that state. So anytime you unplug it, again, you just want to wait 5 minutes before plugging it back in. Just good rule of thumb. And if you ever tip the refrigerator, like moving it, you want to wait 24 hours before plugging it in, because the oils in the compressor, you want to let that have the time to settle. So just a couple things before you replug in that refrigerator.